Uganda, which had a robust economy at the advent of independence, was anticipated to have an economic growth at the rate of the Asian tiger economies. Yet Uganda's economy today pales in comparison with countries like Singapore and Malaysia. One of the indicators of the low economic growth rate is corruption. This debate came to the fore during the second National Conference on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights organized by Makerere University School of Law. The chief guest was South African constitutional judge Johann, who hails from a country that overcame deep-seated racial barriers to chart a new path of equality and inclusion. Justice Johann said, for a government to achieve social inclusion, it should exercise political pluralism and equality before the law.
Socio-economic rights cannot be fulfilled without sound government policies and especially the strong political will. For, although courts cannot, of course, be economic freedom fighters, they do have a role to play in the improvement of living conditions.
Irene Ovonji, who is the board chairperson of Action Aid International, argued that the current government bears responsibility in providing socio-economic and cultural rights.
And the right to public health. What role does the state have to play in that if it's divesting itself of having a stronger role in development and leaving everything to the private sector, to those with power?
Professor Lokonyango, a respected law don, accused the political elite of not doing enough to provide socio-economic and economic rights to its citizens.
When I talk about officialdom, I mean those in government and those outside of government, in the political parties as well. A fundamental disrespect for ordinary people. There's a fundamental disrespect for those rights which matter most to them. And that fundamental disrespect spreads even into our courts.
More research, NTV.